How to integrate WhatsApp in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to integrate your WhatsApp chat or your WhatsApp number or account or business WhatsApp, of course, into your Wix website. This procedure is going to be used for customer care and customer service. If you're going to put here the customers in contact of the support team that you have or yourself, you're going to be the only manager of your website. This is going to be very useful. So the first step is going to be heading over wix.com, sign in for an account into the platform, and then we're going to find the sites that we have created. Select the website that you want to add the WhatsApp app for, because this is going to be an individual process for each one of the website, each one individually. I'm going to select this one, for example. I clicked on select and edit website. Once we have did that, what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to click on edit site. Once we have did that, what we're going to do is very simple. We're going to wait for the website to load up, just like that. It has loaded some of the content like that. It is going to be taking a little bit of time to load up all the contents for the website, but it is okay. Now we're going to head over the left side of the screen, as you can see, and we're going to select from here, add apps. Now, from add apps, we're going to see the app market. We're going to wait for a few seconds until everything is going to be in order, just like that. Click on search app or the search bar and type in WhatsApp, like that. Click on enter or press enter, and it is going to show you all the suggestions that we have. So we have WhatsApp chat for contact us. As you can see, we have the WhatsApp start chat and everything. Now, the most used one by users is going to be this one, the WhatsApp button, which is going to let you set up the chats and also notification and the contact solution. So it has a very good rating, about 4.8, and it is going to be something, let's say, useful. So we have the 7-day trial. We can go ahead and use that. Now, we're going to click on that, click on add to site, and it is going to be adding to the website by agreeing and also adding the app just like that. So the installer is going to be installing the app in just a few seconds. It is going to reload the app, which is not something that I am going to do because it is going to set up the pricing plan and everything. So you can go ahead and have the free trial, for example, by having one of the plans that you can see like that, and then you're going to set up the checkout. And after that, after you have set up the checkout and everything, you are going to be, I'm going to start a free trial. So at least you can go ahead and put here the phone numbers and also the credit cards and etc. This is something that I'm going to skip for this part. And then you're going to open the app just like that. And then you're going to configure your button, select the layout of the button and also where to put it. As you can see, it is going to take us to the dashboard of the Wix website of our. So it is going to have the dashboard of it. So I think that this is it. Instead of having the plans right there, it is going to be having here the layout or the custom things about the website or the button. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.